Hello everyone, welcome to my vlog on the benefits of multimedia and ICT or information communication technology in the 21st century. Today, we'll explore how these technologies are transforming the way we live, learn, and interact. So what are you waiting for? Let's go! Benefits of multimedia. First one, enhanced engagement. Multimedia content like videos, images, and audio can engage audiences more effectively than traditional text-based content. Second one, improved understanding. Multimedia can convey complex information in a more intuitive and accessible way, making it easier for viewers to understand and retain information. The third one, increased appeal. Multimedia content is more appealing and attention-grabbing than traditional content, making it ideal for learning and communication. The benefits of ICT or information communication technology. The first one, personalized learning. ICT enables personalized learning experiences catering to diverse learning needs and styles. The second one, increased student engagement. ICT tools and interactive learning platforms promote active participation and engagement in learning. The third one, enhanced collaboration. ICT facilitates global connections, enabling collaboration and communication across borders. That's a wrap on today's video about the power of multimedia and ICT in the 21st century. Hope you learned something new and valuable. Stay connected and keep exploring. Thank you.